Good day, my name is Ana Quinalillo Enriquez from BSCI 1 Agoncillo. My topic is technological change. Technological change or technological development is the overall process of invention, innovation, and diffusion of technology or processes. In essence, technological change cover the invention of technologies and their commercializations or release as open source via research and development. The continual improvement of technologies and the diffusion of technologies throughout the industry or society sometimes involves disruption and convergence. In short, technological change is based on both better and more technology. So, ang technological na pagbabago ay ay ang kabuuang proseso ng pag-imbento, pagbabago, at pagsasabog ng teknolohiya o mga proseso. Sa esensya, ang technological na pagbabago ay sumasaklaw sa pag-imbento ng mga teknolohiya. At ang kanilang komersyalisasyon o paglalabas bilang open source sa pamamagitan ng pananaliksik at pag-unlad. Ang patuloy na pagpapabuti ng mga teknolohiya at ang pagsasabog ng mga teknolohiya sa buong industriya o lipunan. Sa madaling salita, ang technological na pagbabago ay nakabatay sa parehong mas mahusay at mas maraming teknolohiya. Source of technological change. First, internet. Second, mobile phone. Third ay social media. Bakit ang internet, mobile phone, social media ay source ng technological change? Dahil ito ay kanilang malawakang paggamit at pagbabagong epekto sa komunikasyon. Pagpapakalat ng impormasyon, pagkakonekta, binago nila kung paano tayo nakikipag-ugnayan, nag-a-assess ng impormasyon, at nagsasagawa ng negosyo na nagtutulak ng pagbabago sa iba't ibang sektor gaya ng teknolohiya ng komunikasyon, software development, at digital marketing. Ang kanilang ubiquity at accessibility ay nagpalakas ng pangangailangan para sa mas mabilis, mas mahusay na mga teknolohiya na nagtutulak ng tuloy-tuloy na mga pag-unlad at humuhubog sa digital na landscape sa ating ginagalawan ngayon. Next is dynamics of technological change. We have two dynamics of technological change: the firm level and out of firm's control. Firm level, problem recognition, technology choice, solution development or innovation and adoption, commercialization and implementation. Out of firm's control, tech developers, facilitators, customers, regulators. This is a sample text you can edit. Limits to technological change. The economy. First is the economy. Second, high level of unemployment. Third is the environment. Fourth, the exhaustion of natural resources. The economy, it is the system for deciding how scarce resources are used so that goods and services can be produced and consumed. High levels of unemployment. Unemployment is when an individual who is not employed and is seeking employment cannot find work. Unemployment is a key indicator of the health of an economy. A low unemployment rate represents a strong economy, while a high unemployment rate represents a weak economy. The environment. A sum total of all the living and non-living elements and their effects that influence human life. The last is the exhaustion of natural resources. It is the depletion effect which is manifested in the higher marginal recovery costs encountered as the resource stock of depleted. Impacts of technological change. First is employment issues. Business alliances and recruitment jobs become intellectual. Second, management strategy. Corporate restructuring, planning for change while advance participation of employees. Third is trade union response. Fear of losing jobs, fear of losing comfort in an organization. Next is conclusion. Technological change plays an important role in environmental policy, while new technologies can make cleaner production and more efficient resource use possible. Markets are unlikely to provide proper incentives for the development of clean technologies, absent public policy. As in other areas of technological change, knowledge spillovers lead to underinvestment in R&D by private firms. So, ibig sabihin nito, ang pagbabago sa teknolohiya ay gumaganap ng isang mahalagang papel sa patakaran sa kapaligiran. Bagamat ang mga bagong teknolohiya ay maaaring gawing posible ang mas malinis na produksyon at mas mahusay na paggamit ng mapagkukunan. Ang mga merkado ay malamang na hindi magbigay ng tamang mga insentibo para sa pagbuo ng mga malinis na teknolohiya. Walang pampublikong patakaran. Tulad ng mga ibang mga lugar ng pagbabago sa teknolohiya, ang mga spillover ng kaalaman ay humahantong sa kakulangan sa pamumuhunan ng R&D ng mga pribadong kumpanya. Yun lamang po. Thank you.